Outside fire ramen. We think we're gonna go with B. Although the idea of getting a cool badge is tempting. And you know that you're in a serious place when it has heaters outside, a lineup, and a ticket machine to come back later. Literally just found this on Google, so we'll see how fire ramen is. I think there's some fire about to happen in fire ramen. I think I have my eyebrows. I don't know. Do I have my eyebrows? Let's dive in here too, by the way. Because the show is good, but we've heard the ramen is even better. Very good.